Hi, I'm Traci Melchor, senior correspondent on Etalk and judge on Canada's Drag Race, and this is what's in my kit. Okay, the first item I want to talk about is the Christian Dior Lip Glow Color Reviver Balm. It is the best lip balm that I've ever purchased, and I've tried them all. I love Charlotte Tilbury. I love Charlotte Tilbury as a makeup artist, as a person, as somebody I've interviewed several times, and her lip glosses are exceptional. They have vitamin E, they make your lips look hydrated and juicy. Charlotte Tilbury, you can't go wrong. In LA, there's this brand that I've recently discovered called LA Girl. This is the lip scrub. I actually went in looking for a lip scrub. And so because I like that product so much, I had to go back. And I got the palette, I think it was $4, and then a lip primer, LA Girl. Sunscreen every day. Summer, spring, fall, winter. And this Vivier sheer, it is so great. It is a broad spectrum SPF 45 lotion with transparent zinc oxide. So it actually provides a physical barrier from the sun, and I just really love it. Velmont Prime Lip Repair. This is so good. With all the seasons and with the mask wearing, I just really want to take care of my mouth. And I speak for a living, right? Like this is what are the tools for my job? So you want to have your mouth looking good. Cuddly. Body and hair nourishing oil. I just can't get enough. And that's what's in my kit.